how to check and diagnose power restart status on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on members. Now in the Samsung members homepage, tap on Diagnostics. Then tap on Phone Diagnostics. After that, we go down and then tap on Power Restart Status. Tap on that button, and then the phone should go ahead and check the power restart. Otherwise, you can tap on the Test Again button. And here say your phone recently restarted. If your phone restarted without your intent, you can check its restart history for more information. So if you scroll down, you can tap on View, Restart History, and here say restart after battery discharge. So you can go down the list and see if there is any other apps that causes the phone to crash and restart by itself. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.